back now, and I think they're starting to get along. Runa's been licking him a lot. Runa, remember, play gentle. Let's go see if Papa's awake. Hello, good morning.
Good morning. How are they?
They've been good. Runa was a little bit crazy this morning and was a bit rough. But apart from that, they've been pretty good. I'm just about to heat him up some of the kitten milk.
Hello.
They're both in there.
They're both in there.
Hi.
Hello.
Say hi, Molly. We just gave this little angel his first bath. He was a bit stinky.
Cause you're pulling on my heartstrings. The way strumming is the realest thing. Denying feelings is a hard thing. Butterfly like you give me wings. Cause you're pulling on my heartstrings. The way strumming is the realest thing. Denying feelings is a hard thing.
So we gave the little kitten a bath before. As you saw, he's just curled up under the bed at the moment. We're still in the process of training him a little bit. He's still a little bit skittish because he's pretty young. But Runa's making him feel right at home by giving him lots of licks and playing with him. So we'll see how he goes tomorrow, I think.
I think he'll be okay.
Yeah, he's a good boy. Runa, let's look out the window. We're making sure we spend time with Runa as well so she doesn't get jealous.
Let's give him more food. Let's give Rune more food.
I can't believe how much he eats for a little tiny kitten.
I know. Needs a sustenance.
Right.
Wow.
This is what, his 5th meal for the day?
Probably.
Keeps-
Growing boy.
He's a growing boy. 2 little sun babies right here. We've got the queen herself, Runa, and we've got this little sweet Prince Amaru. They're both bathing in the sun.
Wow.
He's kind of starting to do things that she does now.
Way more confident.
She honestly became an adult overnight. I'm not joking. Her mannerisms are so different now ever since we got him. She went from being this little cheeky baby to now a mature adult. She hasn't bit me once today. She usually bites me playfully at least 5 times a day. Runa, I kind of miss it. I actually was really worried that Runa would get jealous of Amaru, but the truth of the matter is I'm the one that's jealous because Runa's not giving me the attention that she used to.
She will.
She's still getting
So
used
be
to it.
careful what you wish for. Both of them soon are going to bombard us with playfulness and chasing us, biting us.
Look at this. Look at this.
Our children.
We've got Rooney and we've got Amaru. I wonder where Runa could be. Do you mind if I come inside your shirt?
There you go, have a look.
She just curled up in Regan's shirt. He was just sitting down here playing with little Amaru and his shirt was hanging down. Regan wears, what size do you wear? 3XL, 2XL shirts. And she just climbed on in. Now she's...
I'm stuck to the ground.
She's just climbed in. Runa? I know you love your papa, but he's a...
Just got my neck. No, Runa, this is bad.
I think try and scoop her up. Like, scoop your arms underneath. And try and scoop her up in your shirt. She'll probably run out. Oh my god, as if she's staying there. Rune. Rune.
Oh no, okay, this is bad. Runa. That was a little bit too close for comfort though.
Nothing like skin to skin contact with baby. He's pretty confident now. That doesn't look like it though, he just ran behind there. But he's been running around, sleeping with Regan. He's getting better at using his litter box now. We're having some issues with that. We've got like a tiny little cardboard one set up for him. And we've got one over here in the bathroom. He likes his privacy a little bit more, so Runa was easy. We feel like a full family, don't we, Reags, with these two little monkeys. He's going to be such a little monkey, and then she's going to pin him, and then he's going to cry, and then he's going to come back for more. Excuse me, Maru.
Hey babies. You in here sleeping together? You're a good girl, Rennie.
So that was our first week and a half with Amaru, and things are going really well. We've had no issues with Runa and him. Him and Runa have gotten along really, really well. She welcomed him as soon as we brought him through the door, but we weren't really worried about that. She usually loves other cats. I think she's kind of been craving another little friend. The only thing is sometimes I think Runa forgets how big she is compared to him. So she'll maybe play a little bit rough and you have to go separate them. But apart from that, he can take it. He does bring it on himself a little bit though, because he annoys her when she's trying to relax. But he seems to get right back up when she attacks him a little bit too hard and comes right back at her. It's nice to see their cute little friendship. Now he fits right in. We feel like we've had him forever now, so we're excited to see the big boy he grows into. Show you him and Rune. Oh, where is he? They were
Sleeping up here.
Oh, they were both on the chair before.
You can get up there and you can climb on the windowsill.
So this is little Amaru at 2 weeks. He likes to climb all sorts of things now.
He's exhausted. He's been running like a maniac everywhere.
He has. He's been
Jumping,
doing some
annoying Runa.
funny stuff.
They're both tired.
They're both very tired. He takes it out of Rooney, doesn't he, Rune? Alright, I think that's where we'll end the vlog.
Yahoo!